person at?
Oh my gosh. Right here. Right here. Let it down a little bit. Let her down a little bit. Back up. Back up. Back the tractor up.
Yeah.
Alright, right there.
Phone cable.
A rock. I think we're a little deep.
Not that big much.
Yeah. Pretty good.
Did you bring a shovel or anything?
Yeah.
Look at it.
Right.
Girly hands.
Hang on. Alright.
Let's see how that is. Boy, that's pretty close.
Put a little bit more in there.
Are you supposed to chop that or anything? Not all the way, just loosen them up.
Look at that. First tree. First apple tree on Peterson Farms of Nashville. All right. Do another. Is that good?
Yeah.
And then temporarily what we'll do is we'll just put this stake here. So, for strength.
Yeah, I'll take the wrapper off.
Well, not yet.
Yeah.
Not yet. We may dig it back up and want to move it.
Zip ties?
Yeah. Not with me. Bring it back. I want to make sure that we don't have to move it a few inches, one way or the other.
It's too late. It's in the ground.
Oh my gosh.
This is a one dig done. One dig done job.
One dig done job. Okay. Next. I tell you, it's hard to find good help these days. Or any help. So you got to take what you get.
That?
Right there. Right here.
Well, if you had yellow paint.
Right here. A little more. Right there. Drop it.
Huh?
Drop it. Drop it. Perfect.
What are you calling me?
I don't know. Look at that.
What? Yeah.
Yeah.
You could be in him.
All right.
Alright, love you. You're interrupting my YouTube video.
Do a little security, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Enough.
Next. All right, we got her done. 10 trees planted in
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Yep.
And that's because we didn't know what we were doing.
That's right.
So, anyway, this is the beginning of the Peterson Farms in Nashville orchard. Got some apple trees going along the back row. Got a couple peaches here. Got a cherry. What else we got? Plum.
Tangerine.
Tangerine. And then there was something else. But anyway, and it looks like we dug 3 more holes to square it out down behind the camera. We're gonna plant 3 more trees. We gotta get another pear tree because this one won't pollinate with that one. But that one over there will pollinate with that one. I don't understand. But anyway, we gotta get another one that will pollinate with this one. It's compatible. So, anyway, like I said at the beginning of the, what do they call it? The orchard.
The orchard, yeah.
The beginning of the Peterson Farms,
Yeah.
Nashville
The
orchard. And then outdoor
All
Brayden.
organic.
Outdoor Adventures with Brayden here. He's my new neighbor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In
Moving-
transition.
Yeah, in transition. Moving from Nashville, Tennessee to Nashville, Indiana. So, look forward to that. Wives probably don't.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, we gotta go to Harbor Freight.
Yeah.
Yeah, Harbor Freight, pick up a couple things.
Yeah. Maybe even Lowe's, get some more trees.
Yeah, maybe even Lowe's, get some more trees. But anyway, thanks for joining us. We do these kind of things here on the Peterson Farms in Nashville to share them with our future generations, friends, and family in the future so they can look way back now and understand what we're all about. So God bless y'all. Thanks for stopping in.
Have a good one.